Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send XDC from your Uphold account to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned pro, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few basics sorted out. You'll need an active Uphold account with XDC in it, and your Tangem wallet should be set up, unlocked, and ready to receive funds. Oh, and always double-check that you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets, or Wallet, section and find your XDC balance. It's usually listed under your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, select the XDC you want to send. Click on it to open the details, then look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where the magic happens. Now, for step 3, you'll need to enter the receiving address from your Tangem wallet. Open your Tangem app, go to the Receive section, and copy the XDC address. Make sure it's the correct one to prevent any errors. Paste this into the Uphold withdrawal form, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to send. Uphold might show you the network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Check the address, the amount, and the fees one last time. If all looks good, hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the XDC should hit your Tangem wallet in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like a transaction delay, check the Blockchain Explorer for your XDC transaction status. And remember, crypto is all about patience and security. Never share your private keys. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to send XDC from Uphold to Tangem wallet in 2025. It's that straightforward. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.